Yeah guys, so I am ready to react to this Neko video. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time because shout out to YouTube, Jamaica YouTube TV, because it made me know about this Neko business too, because they been saying Neko, Neko, Neko. Yes. So I'm gonna finally listen to this Neko, and yeah, it's by Amari Neko. Yes, so but we jump on into the video now. I'm about to react to it right now and see what the excitement is all about. So guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, turn on your post notification, and leave a comment, and let's have a conversation down in the comment section. Alright, let's talk about this Neko video. So alright, so let's jump on into the video and see what this excitement is about. Mama come out well hot and all of these things, She come up well. Everybody knows say, well, let me be honest with you guys. I am not really a big fan of Amari music. I know she like do music and whatever. She been doing music for a long time and whatever. But I'm not a big fan of hers. But I know about some of her songs and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, the settings look good so far with the banana and whatever. Look like a Jamaica should do the video. I'm not sure, just saying. Yeah, so alright, so fun fact. I never know that if she was singing about Gully Bop. I don't know if you guys know Gully Bop. If not, I will drop a clip of him in the video that you guys know who is Gully Bop. So anyways, this singer was with Gully Bop for a little while and stuff and whatever. So them end up break up and something, and I guess she doing the song about him. Alright, so let's finish here what this song after. Guys, now I understand why so much people have been singing this song, because it's a very catchy song, The Neko. Yeah. Guys, even Digicel last night, text me last night about Neko. What did Digicel say? I think Digicel say, did Neko mash up her life? Text, text and find out if Neko really mash up her life. I'm like, what the hell is this? This Neko business taking over the whole place. It's like a what you call it now? Hot word. Alright, let's finish get into the video. Guys, you can actually hear the pain in our voice. Neko, why you do that? Why you do it, Neko? Why you mash up the lady life, Neko? What you really do for mash up her life, Neko? Tell me what you do for mash up her life, because I don't really understand. Neko, what you do for mash up her life? Why you mash up her life, Neko? No, sir. Neko do her wicked, You can't hear it in her voice, so she really grieving, guys. Neko do her something wicked. Let me finish listening to the song, Mari has a lot of tattoo, guys. She has a lot of tattoo. She has tattoo in her forehead, on her hands, and all of that. Well, it's her look. She's a very good-looking woman. Yeah, very good-looking woman. But you see, when you put tattoo in her face and you get in hole, it's not a cute look. It's not a cute look, trust me. Probably cute when we're young. I mean, like, I have tats, but I would never put a tattoo in my face. Because when you get old and the skin start wrinkle up and something, the tattoo there, and your face, So I don't like that face tattoo business there. I mean, it look alright for man, but females, I not too like it for females. Especially like in a middle or forehead. If you like one little spot or something, if they want to do it like side or whatever, but in the middle of the forehead, I don't think that's cute. But anyways, Amaria go and do her thing, Neko. Big up yourself, Neko, whoever you be, if you're a gully bop or whoever you might be, I don't know. But I heard that it's gully bop and stuff, so I mean, like, the two of them ended together for a long while, and I don't know. Gully bop helped she and she helped gully bop, so I don't know. But the song they go on, it's popping. You have a buzz to it. You have a buzz. Neko. Alright guys, so I guess that is it. So guys, tell me what you thought about the song. If it's a buzz to you. What you think about this Neko song. I still not get the song all now. I don't know. You know them kind of song we have to play like 3-4 times if you really get it. I don't really get it. I don't really get it at all. So maybe I'll have to play it like around 2 more times or 3 more times to really listen to the song and really understand what she really talk about. Yeah, because me not really understand what she really talking about. But anyways, it's a catchy song, and it's kind of it's really kind of funny because the way she's talking and singing and stuff. I mean, she's talking and singing at the same time. So I don't know. Amaria did your thing still. Big up yourself, Amari. Big up yourself. Big up your hot self. Big up yourself. Anyways, guys. So drop your comments and let's talk about this Neko song. Jamaica YouTube TV. Big up yourself. Are you and this Neko talking? Make me go look for this song, you know, because I've been saying what people be talking about. What Jamaica TV be talking about this Neko. I need to go and listen to this song and really find out what it's all about. So yeah. Yeah, I finally did it. So anyways guys, I hope you all enjoy. So I'll catch you again in my next video. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up, guys. See you again in my next video.